saw. Oh, here they are.
What?
I lost my goggles, I thought.
Oh, I didn't see anything.
I reached up for them. My hands are going to get so fucking cold.
Huh?
My hands are going to get so cold.
Get it?
Hold. So. This is the area up here coming up.
Yeah. Up there.
There's a slope over there.
Or maybe not.
There's a slope
That
over
is
there. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, let's ski down through there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be too thick.
I know, we get stuck.
You know what I mean?
It's
That's
not
what I
steep
thought.
enough.
No.
It's too thick for this. Yeah, it's
They
not
keep
steep.
using their snowboards
Yeah.
across.
Yeah, but then when they get stuck, they ain't got no poles to help
Well,
them.
no, true.
Yeah, they gotta just hop and,
Yeah.
or take their boots off like they did there. See? You see how he got stuck?
He took his boots off.
Yeah.
He took his board off. I mean,
Took his board off. Excuse me. Yeah, took his boots off and walked out with his boots attached to his boots.
That'd be freaking cold as hell in his toes.
Oh man, that's gonna be on the video, our conversation.
Well.
He's gonna know how dumb I
I'd probably be
am.
like, duh. Here we go, John. Here we go, John.
This is the cool part here. That rock, the bridge, that's the bike bridge probably. And just the way the valley's in there. Hmm?
Just it right here.
Yeah, all this. Yeah, and that back there. And this part here.
Fresh.
Huh?
Snowboard. Looks like it's fresh.
Yeah, you see it got blowed over.
Oh, right there.
You see it got blowed over.
Is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it got snow blowed over it.
Okay.
Duh.
No, just didn't look like it was fresh though back there. 'Cause the one part did look like it, but then the
Yeah.
other part didn't. Looked like it was fresh. Like he stopped.
Yeah, so they must have been blowing snow.
That's what you're saying. Yeah, it's a big guy. What?
The creek running under
Get
there.
it?
Yeah, I got everything.
Trees on the left here.
Yeah, that was the other thing. Ow! You gonna get me coming down through the park? Woo! It's no, it looks so cool.
What's that?
The snow on the trees.
Yeah. I know. It's just neat.
Down there. So much freaking snow. I don't want to leave now. Do not want to leave now. I gotta win one of them poker tournaments fast. We need to be able to extend our freaking ski season to April, to May. We need to be able to extend our ski season to May.
When was Dan going to Utah?
Next week.
Next week.
First week of March.